Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Toyota Prado 120 Series GX, stock reference number 3982. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2003 through to the 10th month 2009. It has a 1KD, 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 1KD, 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front. We have the radiator grille, chrome, left hand headlight, left guard, flared type, appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch steel rims. The left front has a bald tyre, left power door mirror in chrome. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Left tail light does have some light sun cracks. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with the tow bar cut out. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom. Tailgate has one small dent. Spare wheel, 17-inch steel rim, good tyre. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel rim, bald tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror in chrome. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black centre console. Manual type, 6-speed manual gear shifter and transfer shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.